This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your hazardous weather briefing for Saturday, April 12th of 2014. Well, we're still looking at some snow melt and river and stream rises due to recent snow melt and also for some possible heavy rain coming up. That's for tonight and into Monday. This is mainly going to be focused for northern lower Michigan. Some of the impacts here look for an increased risk for river and stream and lowland flooding. Now also, we're still looking at that potential for accumulating wet snow. I hate to say it. And that's going to be for portions of northern Michigan. Right now, it looks like northwest lower Michigan through the straits are in the bullseye zone, but that may be too early to suggest. Again, the snow possibility is for Sunday night and into Monday. There's still a lot of uncertainty around where exactly the snow, accumulating snow, is going to be and how much. Now let's take a look. The wet weather is going to be on the way, and it's going to start today, mainly this afternoon, and then increase in intensity and coverage across all of northern Michigan as we go into this evening. There's going to be a second wave of precipitation that comes around that Sunday through Monday, and we're going to also have some colder air bleeding into northern Michigan, thus resulting in that chance for the rain changing over to snow, which could accumulate. Now, after Monday, we're going to see much colder air continue to fill into northern Michigan, and high temperatures, unfortunately, are going to drop back down into the 30s for most areas through Monday and also for Tuesday. And again, as far as the right-hand graphic goes, a lot of that precipitation there will result in some possible lowland, river, and stream flooding, especially across northern lower Michigan, where we expect the higher amounts to be, especially as you go closer to the M55 corridor and the Saginaw Bay region, with those amounts decreasing as you go north. And a good portion of that precipitation will be in the form of either a cold rain or some accumulating wet snow for Sunday night and into Monday, with plenty of uncertainty around how exactly that's going to play out. So please stay tuned for some later updates on this developing situation. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.